Hi children, welcome back to our class. Today also we are going to solve word problems. Yesterday you done 2 problems. Total 4 problems are completed. Isn't it? Now we are going to do the 5th one. The question is, Ravi weighs 38 kilogram while Neil weighs 5 kilogram less than Ravi. Find the weight of Neil. Here, weight of 2 boys are given. Ravi, his weight is 38 kilogram, and another boy, Neil, whose weight is less than Ravi's weight. That is 5 kg less than Ravi's weight. So, see the solution. Weight of Ravi. Weight of Ravi is given 38 kilogram. And weight of Neil. Weight of Neil is 5 kilogram less than Ravi's weight. That is, we know the weight of Ravi is 38 and Neil's weight is 5 kilogram less. Less means what we want to do? Less means we have to subtract Neil's weight from Ravi's weight. So, Ravi's weight is 38 kilogram and Neil's weight is 5 kilogram less than Ravi's weight. That is 38 minus 5. The calculation is done. 8 minus 5, 3. Here nothing is there. So, we have to write this 3 here. Now, the answer is 33. 38 minus 5 is 33. So, the answer we are getting 33 kilogram. Weight of Neil is 5 kilogram less than 38 kilogram. That is 33 kilogram. Okay. The 6th question is, a water bottle contains 450 milliliter of water. Rohan drank 150 milliliter water from it. Find the quantity of water left in the bottle. Here, a bottle contains 400 milliliter water. From that, Rohan drank 150 milliliter water. The question is, we have to find out how much water is left in the bottle now. At first, there was 450 milliliter water. But from that, Rohan drank little water, that is 150 milliliter water. So, the quantity of water is less now. Less means we have to subtract 150 from 450. So, the solution is quantity of water in the water bottle. Water bottle contains 450 milliliter water. Quantity of water Rohan drank. From that 450 milliliter water, Rohan drank 150 milliliter water. The quantity of water left in the bottle. At first, there was 450 milliliter water and from that 150 milliliter water Rohan drank. Now we have to find out the quantity of water left in the bottle. For that we have to subtract 150 from 450. Here the subtraction is done. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 450 minus 150 is equal to 300. That means in the water bottle there is 300 milliliter of water left. After drinking 150 milliliter water, there is 300 milliliter water left in the bottle. Okay? Children, now there is homework for you. Page number 136 word problem you do in your textbook. Okay.